If you take cherry seeds, put them in an egg filled with soil and water them. Then you'll have free cherries at home. If you put soil in a laundry basket, place mushrooms in it, and cover the whole thing with recycled paper, then you can grow mushrooms for free at home. If you put foam in a blender with milk and spread the mixture on a picture frame, then you'll have a hyper-modern plant picture. If you bake a pine cone in the oven at 80 degrees, it will open up and you can water it to make it grow. If you've made it this far, comment on which city you saw this video from. If you're tired of putting potting soil all over the place when you repot, use potting soil discs that activate on contact with water. If you take coffee grounds, plant a mushroom stem in them and cover them with a coffee filter with a hole in it, then you'll be able to grow your own mushrooms. If you've broken one of your pots, you can still use it to make a super modern decoration with this great, easy-to-do trick. If you plant a corn cob in soil and water it, you can grow your own corn for free at home. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and get your free gardening guide on my profile.